I built my own video editor and it's completely free to use right now. In order to download it, you can just go to perl.g and download video editor. You can also download this app, TextFX. I made separate app for adding text in the video. If you need it, you should also get this. I will showcase how both work. You can also use link in the description. After you install them, you can run them. I will place some media files here. You can drag and drop images, music or audio here. You can drag and drop them in timeline. You can change this slider to increase the size of the timeline or zoom in into the timeline. You can use arrow keys to move the playhead. You can press S to split, then select, delete. You can also select empty spaces and ripple delete them. Yes, delete. When you select the clip, you can manipulate it via preview editor. You can zoom in, move it as you like, you even rotate it. You can also unlock the aspect ratio, which will give you ability to manipulate image without maintaining the aspect ratio. You can Ctrl Z to undo. This is image, so I'm gonna create new video track. I will move it up. At start, I want to add the text, so that's where my second app comes in. You can run the Perl Studio TextFX. You can just write anything here, change fonts, add font if you want, change colors, so on. You can press copy to clipboard and this will give you ability to paste directly in here. Same way you can move this anywhere you want. That's not the only thing you can copy. You can go to search anything, images with transparency for instance. You can directly copy it and paste it in here. And it will paste images with transparency on. I will create another layer for it and move it up. In order to unlink audio and video, you can select it, press U or click Unlink, and you can now delete audio clips from the video and place another audio you'd like. I'm gonna cut the last part and use that. You can also change the speed of the clip. You can hover the edge of the clip, press Ctrl, and when the icon changes you can click and drag, which will slow down or speed up the clip you want. If it's an image, you can just move it, which will increase the length of that image. This image is too zoomed in, so I'm gonna zoom out. I think I already explained most of the functions. You can cut clips, unlink audio from video. I also showed how to add new video track. If you want to maintain original audio from the videos, you can just add new layer for the audio and add music there. You can change the audio volume using this slider. You can also copy anything from Clipboard and paste it directly in the timeline, such as images, including with transparency. When you are happy with the edit, you can save the project first, Ctrl S, go to desktop or anywhere you want. You can name it anything and press save. Next time when you want to make changes in this edit, you can just import the project. And when you finish the edit, you can just press export edit, choose 1080p or 720p, select location where you want, name it, save, and press export. Only caveat is that I used Python library MovePy, which means render time will be much slower than Premiere Pro or Vegas Pro because they use C++ for their app. In future versions, I also plan to change the core into C++, but for now, I think workflow works well. And for free video editor, it's not too bad. And after it's completed, you can press close and you can check the result. There was one slight problem. I may have pressed Ctrl Z, so this got smaller, but we got the point. We can edit the videos and render them out using this app. You can save projects. I forgot to mention one thing. You can create new project, and that could be vertical project, and you can edit vertical videos for social media, for instance. You have menu here to use the tools. Make sure to comment your suggestions. How should I update the app for the next upgrades? Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.